Hi there and welcome to our Tools tutorial video series. In this video we'll be looking at our institution's directory tool and how you as students can use this useful tool on our website educonnect.co.za. Let's begin with opening up the page in front of us. Open your internet browser and make sure you have a secure Wi-Fi connection. Click in the search bar and type in www.educonnect.co.za/institutions/ and hit enter. Once you have the site in front of you, you will see three category filters: listings, categories, and regions. The listings filter allows you to search for a specific institution. The categories filter allows for you to search for a type of institution, and the regions filter allows for you to specify which province you live in. We also have shortcuts below that take you straight to our TVET, private colleges, universities, and University of Technology pages. I'm going to generically choose universities as my category and click search. You will now have a list of all the universities in front of you. Feel free to browse through your options. You can browse through your institution options, or you can use the filters for a more in-depth search. For example, if I choose accounting, I will then be able to see all the institutions that offer accounting courses. Go ahead and click on one institution. I am going to be choosing NMU, Nelson Mandela University. Each institution page will be filled with lots of summarized and important information. We provide a short bio and images of the institution to create some context. As a student, you can use this tool to help your research. Making sure to look through all your options and their relevant pieces of information will ensure that you make an informed decision and therefore the right decision. It would be worthwhile if you could create a giant mind map using all the information we provide and start deciding what suits you better and which institution offers what you need. The information included on the institution page is the following: application day dates, application closing dates, open day dates, application fees, whether you need to write MBTs, how to apply both online and in hard copy through the post, the institution contact details and address, featured articles that you may find interesting, funding opportunities, what qualifications they offer, and any other useful documents we think you might need. Lastly, there's a direct link to their website. Important application details to take into consideration are the following: application closing dates, you'll want to apply before the applications close. Application requirements, make sure you check whether you need to write your MBT test for the application. Not sure what it's like to study certain qualifications? Then have a look at our suggested articles. You can find out what it's like to study certain qualifications straight from the student's mouth. If you have any further questions on this tool, please feel free to contact us at info@edu1.co.za. Enjoy and don't forget to catch our other tools tutorials.